Atrás para que hace como
Ah, sí.
simultáneo.
Es simultáneo la traducción.
They take too much time. We translate.
I will translate today.
We translate there.
That. Okay.
Only few people.
Es traducción simultánea.
He will translate.
En Nueva York aprendí inglés.
A Nueva York
Understand?
En la banca puede ser.
tenemos que ir a la escuela.
Sí, y tú vas escuchando y le vas diciendo en el oído derecho para que llegue directo al corazón.
So, first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satyasya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vibha Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and Vishnu Maharaj, and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So yesterday I also discussed about what is the sequence of our prem, love. That means how we attain our highest goal. That is called prem prayojan. Krishna samandha prem prayojan. Krishna is called our samandha. Samandha means knowledge of relationship. Our prem, love, that is called our prayojan, that is called ultimate goal. Try to understand. We attain to Krishna, this is not our ultimate goal. What is your ultimate goal? Krishna prem prayojan. Why? Because many demons, asura, they also meet with Krishna. And Kamsa, he met with Krishna not, but prem not manifested in his heart. Sisupal, also he met with Krishna, but prem not manifested in his heart. Ravan, Kumbhakarna, they also met with Lord Ramachandra, but prem not manifested in his heart. Sisupal, Dantabakra, Ravan, Kumbhakarna, all they met with Krishna or Lord Bhagavan, but prem not manifested. So, Shastra saying, I will attain our highest ultimate goal, that is called prem. So saying this, Krishna samandha prem prayojan. And prayojan means goal. If you have no love, you cannot attain your highest goal. This is the process also. So how will attain to prem? For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Adu Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivritti Nishtha Ruchi Asakti Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence. So yesterday I also explained Adu Shraddha. Adu means in the beginning. Shraddha means faith. Shraddha very important. If you have no faith, you cannot listen also Hari Katha. There is no faith. Running here and there. When faith will come, Shraddha will come, then he is eager to come to listen Hari Katha. This is the first thing. If you have loved someone, that means Shraddha someone, then you listen about him, what he is speaking. This is the process. So Shraddhavan Jan Han Bhakti Adhikari. Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Shraddhavano Labhate Jnanam Tatparendriya Indriya Sanjitam. Shraddhavanam Labhate Jnanam. One who has Shraddha, faith, Labhate Jnanam, he acquired the knowledge. Tatparendriya Indriya Sanjitam. Then he will control his senses. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Saddhavana labhate jnanam tatparindra indriya samjatam. This is the process also. Saddha. Saddha means faith. So saying, Saddhavan janhan bhakti adhikari. And one who is eligible, qualified to practice the devotional service, who has Shraddha, faith. Then, but this Shraddha, first two types of Shraddha, yesterday I told. One is called Lokiki Shraddha, another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Lokiki Shraddha means that is called worldly faith, world faith. That is called giving the respect and worldly respect. That is called Lokiki Shraddha. And you pay your obeisance, dandavat pranam. That is called one kind of etiquette. Etiquette, understand? Simple way. You pay your obeisances and at least fold your hand, do pranam, namaste.
Social behavior.
Social behavior. And those who are completely atheists, even they does not know how to social behavior. They are as like animals. That's the saying that those who have no social behavior etiquette, they are called animals being. Understand? What will say? Even the animals being, you can see dog. If you have your pet dog, house dog, when you knock the door, the dog also are and will come to you. And jumped on your chest, jumped on your shoulder. My master has come. And also, and following your footsteps also. Laugh and affection. Dog also. Look this. And or we are human being. Sometimes we are very aggressive. No social etiquette. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, Shraddha, first two types of Shraddha. One is called Lokiki Shraddha. When your Lokiki Shraddha will come, that time your ego will come listen. Harikatha. What is saying? I have to listen. Lokiki Shraddha. Then when Lokiki Shraddha coming, then another Shraddha will come, that is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. What is called? Paramarthiki. Spiritual faith will come. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, Shraddhavanam labhate jnanam tatparendra indriya sanjatam. Shraddhavan, who has Shraddha, faith. Okay, what he is saying, I have to listen. Then when you listen faithfully, then you practice how to control his senses. Understand? So this is called Paramarthik Shraddha. This Paramarthik Shraddha also again two types. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Many things have to learn. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Vaidhi Shraddha, he has faith how to follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. That is called Vaidhi Shraddha. Vaidhi means Vidhi, follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures. That is called Vaidhi Shraddha. Okay, Shastra saying, I have to every day wake up early in the morning, and after wake up the morning, little bit I chant holy names. Then I take shower, then put it tilak, then Gayatri mantra jap. Understand it? Then attend to Mangala Arati. Is faith coming or not? That is called spiritual faith. Shraddha, the Vaidhi Shraddha is coming. Because if you not follow the Vaidhi rules and regulations of Shastra, you not attain your perfection goal. Animals, they have no these three things also. Where they are eating, sleeping, same place, stooling, urine, they are not taking bath also. But we are human beings. We are not doing eating, sleeping, and urine not same place. So we are human beings. Have to follow the Shuddha Sadachar, good behavior of Vaishnava. Vaishnava Shuddha Sadachar. Good or not? So Vidhi. They did it. Following Shastra saying in this way, put tilak, kanthi mala, chanting holy name, give respect to superiors, Vaishnavas, Dandavat Pranam. This is called good way. There is the process also. So just I also explain, this is called Vaidhi Shraddha. Or another Shraddha that is called Raganuga Shraddha. Past impressions for this regard, yes, so much love and affection with Krishna and Krishna Parikar, and is thinking, I will serve to divine Radha and Krishna under guidance of Rupa Manjari or Lalita Visakha, these types of mood coming. That is called the Raganuga Shraddha also coming. Raga, Anuga, Raganuga. This Shraddha. Or detail to unconfidential things when sadhana perform bhajan and sadhan. That time, at a time, two Shraddha manifest. One is called Vaidhi, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Well, how this at a time two possible? So for this regard, Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad gave an example. When the leaves manifested, that time you can see that the leaf unfolded. Unfolded, understand? Why the leaves are doing on leaves?
Folded, actually. It manifests as folded.
That leaves, unfolded leaves, you can see two sides completely rubbed. Understand? Or when the leaves more and blossom, that time leaves completely what? Folded. And so that time leaves two sides. One is called upper side, another is called down by lower side. So upper side you can see the very soft chicken, like this. This is the upper side. Or this is lower side, rough. So just to understand, this upper side is very soft, and also what is called chicken? It is called smooth. And that side is, and give you the example, I like Raganuga Bhakti. Are those side very rough? That side is called Vaidhi Bhakti. But when sadhak first practice devotion service, that time that leaves completely what? And that is called unfold. No, this is fold. So that this and this side also rough. So that means it's when sadhak first performed bhajan and sadhan, that time his bhakti is called Vaidhi Bhakti. Rough side. Rough side. But with the association of Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, Brajarasik, Sadhu, Guru and Vaishnava, listen Hari Katha, then that will be and unfold. There is automatically there's a rough side going down or upper side coming up. That means rough side that is called Vaidhi Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti is going down and Raganuga Bhakti coming up. Simple. Both Bhakti, Raganuga, Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain Vidhi Marga Rata Jane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Margi Karena Pravesh. Sadhak first have to follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. That is called Vaidhi Bhakti. One who is not following the Vaidhi Bhakti rules and regulations of the scriptures, he is thinking, I am Braj Raganuga Sadhak, and that is called his, and he is making the disturbance of his society. Shruti Smriti Naradadi Pancharatni Viding Vina Oikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. One who thinking I am Raganuga Sadhak, so no need follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures. No need take shelter, lotus feet of Guru. No need chanting Gayatri mantra. No need following any rules and regulations. Only we chant Radhe 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 Radhe. Gaur Hari Bol. Those who are not following also Ekadasi. Many people they are not following Ekadasi. Radhe Radhe Radhe. राधे राधे कहेंगे वृंदावन में डोलेंगे, राधा रानी मिल जाएंगे, राधे राधे गाएंगे और श्याम मिल जाएंगे. माने दिस आई विल चांट इन वृंदावन एंड व्हाट इज सेइंग राधे राधे राधे, then Krishna automatically chasing behind me. This is not. That is only this is called you are useless. So for the Shastra saying no, you have to follow this. Put tilak, kanthi mala, receive diksha mantra from Guru, Gayatri mantra, follow the Ekadasi. Many people they are not following also Ekadasi. Not they are also giving the kanthi mala. Nothing. What is it? Radhe, 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 Radhe. Are rolling on the ground and shedding tears. Radhe! What? Understand? Crying. That is called Sahajiya Bhava. Understand? Aulu Bhaul Karta Bhaja. Neda Jat Gosai. This is called Sahajiya. So Shastra saying no. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain no. Everybody have to follow the Vidhi Bhakti. And learn this verse. What is it? Shruti Smriti Puranadi Naradadi Puranadi Pancharatni Viding Vina Oikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. Everybody follow the rules and regulations. Shastra. This is very important. Most of the people, they are also doing this. They want to go to Sahajiya Path. But Sahaj Path, Sahaj means very easy. They are doing very easy way we attain to Krishna, perfect goal, perfection goal. Very easy way to become the medicine of Srimati Radhika. No need follow the rules and regulations. If you follow the rules and regulations, means you have to bound of the society. That this is their conception. Actually, this is a false conception. So Shastra say, Shruti Smriti Naradadi, Shruti Smriti Naradadi, पंचरात्रि विधिंग बिना
पंचरत्न
ऐकांतिकी हरेर भक्ति उत्पादकी केवलम. This is very much. So now coming is this way, two kinds of Shraddha. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Very important. So saying Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Vidhi Marga Rata Jane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Raga Marge Karano Pravesh. Bhajan Rashtra Grantha Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted these verses. Vidhi Marga Rata Jane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Marge Karana Pravesh. So now coming is Shraddha, two types of Shraddha. One is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Then after Shraddha, then that is called Sadhu Sangha, associated with Sadhu. Sadhu Sangha means Sangha Sammag Rupena Gamanam iti Sangha. Sammag Rupena, direct to follow the footsteps of Sadhu. That is called Sadhu Sangha. That means you have to follow the instruction of Sadhu. Sadhu Sangha. So saying, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastre Kahai, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hai. All the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere glorify about the association of Sadhu, Sadhu Sangha. 1 second, 1 moment, if you associate Sadhu, then you will attain your perfection goal. But here is mentioned, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Chaitamrita, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha. Yeah, love means 1 second divided by 11. That moment you associate Sadhu. That means you 1.8 with Guru and Krishna. 1.8. If you not 1.8, then you will not attain your perfection goal. Understand? This is the process of. So Sadhu Sangha is very important. Samma group in direct to follow the footsteps of Sadhu. That means you have to follow the instruction of Sadhu. And listen Hari Katha. Sadhu Sangha means that listen Hari Katha. Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido bhavante hit karna rasayana kata tajjo sanat asu apavarga vartmani shraddharate bhakti ranukrame sati. Srimad Bhagavatam 10th or 3rd canto, Kapil Devati Samvad. The conversation between Lord Kapil Dev and Mother Devati. Lord Kapil Dev told his mother, the Mother Devati, always associate Sadhu. Associate Sadhu, Sadhu Sangha. What is the meaning of Sadhu Sangha? Listen Hari Katha. Listen sweet. Are you listen? Come here. Nice boy. Sweet boy. What do you say? Sadhu Sangha. Listen Hari Katha. So saying, Satang prasangat mama virjo sangvido bhavante hit karna rasayana katha tajjo sanat asu apavarga vartmani shraddharati bhakti ranukrame sati. If you listen pure Harikatha from the mouth of Sadhu, pure Harikatha, Suddha Harikatha, then automatically your desire to merge in Brahma and go away from your heart. And how is powerful associate with Sadhu. Though your tendency will not come, and to enjoy the material sense gratification. Even your tendency will not come to merge in Brahman. Then you will be not interested in 4 types of mukti, liberation. Look this. Krishna says also, if I give the 4 types of mukti, my devotee, they will not take. Diyamanana grinnanti mat sevanang jana. Even my devotee, those who are pure devotee, they don't want the 4 types of mukti in Vaikuntha Dham. Salukya, Shashti, Samipya and Sarupya. They don't want. Then, so how possible they will accept the oneness with Brahma? Salukya, Shashti, Samipya and Sarupya. Sajujya Mukti, oneness with Brahma, how possible they accept? So Krishna says, Diyamanana grinnanti mat sevanam jana. Those are pure devotee, they are thinking, hey Krishna, how to serve and lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Sama Sundara Sikanda Sekara Smerahasa Murali Manohara Radhika Rasikamang Kripa Nidhe Shapriya Charana Kinkaring Kuru. He Sama Sundar Sikanda Sekara, he Krishna, and he Sama Sundar Sikanda Sekar. Sama Sundar Sikanda. Smerahasa Murali Manohara. How is your beautiful, sweet, smiling face? And peacock feather on your head. Sama Sundar Sikanda Sekara Smerahasa Murali Manohara. And you always keep the fruit and in the middle of your upper lips and lower lips. So give some blessing. What blessing do you want? Blessing. How to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, Radha Dasam. And even you pray to Krishna, what will pray? Sama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smerahasa Murali Manohara Radhika Rasikamang Kripa Nidhe Shapriya Charana Kinkaring Kuru. Shapriya Charana Kinkaring. And hey Krishna, you give me bless to me. How become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika? Radha Dasam. What do you want? Radha Dasam, the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Learn this word. Sama Sundara Sikhanda Sekara Smerahasa Murali Manohara Radhika Rasikamang Kripa Nidhe Shapriya Charana Kinkaring Kuru. Asasya Dasi Visavanu Jaya. Asasya Dasi, only my one hope, how to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Radha Dasam. Understand? Well, how to serve to Srimati Radhika? Now, under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Then you pray to lotus feet of Sirupa Manjari Pada Shei Mora Sampada Shei Mora Bhajana Pujana Sirupa Manjari Pada Shei Mora Sampada Shei Mora Bhajana Pujana. And so Nattam Das Thakur sang this. How to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kisura Jivane Marane Goti Aranahi Mora Kalindera Pule Keli Kadambe Ravana Ira Upar Bosa Bodujana শ্যাম গৌরী অঙ্গে দেব চুয়া চন্দনের গন্ধ অধারে তুলিয়া দিব কর্পূর তাম্বুল আরে গাঁথিয়া মালতির মালা দিব তোমার গলে গাঁথিয়া মালতির মালা আমার দিব রতম রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণম যুগল কিশোর taste will come braj bhakti then your taste will come to enjoy any types of material sense gratification. Taste. How taste will come? Listen Hari Katha. Without listening Hari Katha from sadhu, how possible your taste will come? So sadhu sangha. So for the sadhu sangha means listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha ruchi. Hari Katha ruchi na hoile panda say shram. One who has no taste to listen Hari Katha, all his activities and endeavors are useless. Visaksena katha suja notpade jodirati shrama eva hi kevalam. Who has no taste, listen Visaksena katha is very important. And sadhu's duty, give the Hari Katha. Listen Hari Katha. More and more. Giving Hari Katha. So now this sadhu sangha. Adu Shraddha, then second sadhu sangha. Sammagruva. And always also sadhu sajatya asa snigdho sato vare. Srimad Bhagavata naam rasa asaddhate. Sajatya asa snigdha. Have to associate with the sadhu your same mood. Understand? This is very important. Snigdha, one's heart is very neat and clean. No any material desires. Snigdha hridaya. One's heart is very neat and clean. No any material desires. And always absorbed with Braj, Leela Katha. Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasritta Binda Atavi Tatpadankam Asambhasya Tadbhav Gambhira Chittan Kutasama Sindhu Rasasavagaho. Kutasama Sindhu. Sama Sindhu means Samra Singaras. Sama Singara Rasa iti Vishnu Daivata. Singaras, how to merge in the conjugal mood of divine Radha and Krishna. Singaras. If you Srimati Radhika. Radha is Vaikantike Nishta. Radha Snehadikka. Love and affection for Srimati Radhika. Radha Snehadikka va Radha Nishta. Second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Physically not possible to stay in Vrindavan, but you have to stay in Vrindavan with your mind. Manevash. And your mind. How to stay in Vrindavan with your mind? Remembering past times of Krishna. Leela Katha Nisevanam. Listen Hari Katha. Understand? So this is the process. Our third, always associated high class, exalted, Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru. So saying, Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasritta Binda Atavi Tatpadanga Asambhasya Tadbhav Gambhira Chittan Kutasama Sindhu Rasasavagaho. Listen Hari Katha, sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Absorbed in this way. Vrindavan Lila Katha Mritam. Which Katha? Vrindavan Lila Katha. Radha Meri Samini. Main Radhin ko das. Janam janam moin diyo. वृंदावन को वास। वृंदावन को वृक्ष को मरम न जाने कोई, डाल डाल और पात पात में राधे राधे होई। जमुना तो काली काली, राधा गोरी गोरी, वृंदावन में धूम मचावे बरसाने की छोरी। वृंदावन में धूम मचा। जमुना तो काली, the water of the Jamuna blackish. So Jamuna to Kali Kali, Radha Gori Gori. Radha Gori Gori means all the Brij girls, those who are very near their Srimati Radhika, Radha Sakhis. They are called very fresh complexion. So Jamuna to Kali Kali, Radha Gori Gori. वृंदावन में धूम मचावे बरसाने की छरी। बरसाने की छरी है द डॉटर ऑफ वृषभानु महाराज एंड हर सखी राधिका सखी। What they are singing? They are always glorified our Srimati Radhika. Is glorified our Krishna. How is Krishna's beautiful form? Balapeedang narvaraboko karna karnikarang vibrata vaso kanak visang vijantamalam रंध्रान वेनो रदर्शुदा पुराण गोप वृंदई विंदारणं सपद रमणं प्राविशत गिद कीर्ति। And look this. Srimati Radhika, she always glorified our Krishna's nice, beautiful, sweet form, madhurya form. And Srimati Radhika, she glorifies about the sound of the fruit of Krishna. That is called Venu Gitam. What is it called? Venu Gita. Venu Gita, understand? The sound of the flute of Govind. Look at this. Glorify these things. Vrindavanam sakhi bhuvo vitanoti kettim jada devaki suto padabda labda lakshmi govinda venu numatta mayura nittang pretsadi akarana venu ranitang Saha Krishna Sara Dhanasma Mudagato Hiranneta Janandan Patta Vichitra Vesam Akarna Venu Ranitang Saha Krishna Sara Puja Dudung Viraja Pranaya Loki. When Krishna played the flute, then male deer and female deer, both they are running towards Krishna. They are animals being. They cannot speak anything. But when they coming very close to Krishna and sit in front of Krishna, they express their sentiments with their eyes. So saying, Dhannasma Mudagatai Rannaeta Jananna Pata Vichitra Vesham Akarna Venu Ranitang Sa Krishna Sara. Animals beings. Krishna Sara. Are you there? Dhannasma Mudagatai Rannaeta Janandanupatta Vichitra Vesam Akarna Venu Ranitang Sah Krishna Sara. They are saying Krishna Sara. Krishna Sara means Sar. Sar means essence. What is the essence of our life? Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. Krishna Prem bina mor vyartha daridra jivan das kari vetan more deha Krishna Premadhan. Mahaprabhu. If you have in your heart no Krishna Bhakti, Krishna money, children, husband, everything you will get according to your previous fruitful action, karma. You cannot get more, you cannot get less. Everything is yours, predicted and pre. You want or not? Understand? Two fruits automatically coming. That is called happiness and unhappiness. That is called sukh and dukh. There are two kinds of fruits automatically coming. But Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem, Sadhu Sangha, this is very, very rare. So essence of our human life, that is called Krishna Prem. That is called Krishna Sara. Sara means essence. What is the essence of our life? Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. Understand? So Krishna Sara. Say this. So animals being, that is called deer, male and female deer. they are they are coming very close to Krishna. And Krishna that time also fatting on their back. Just touching the hands of Krishna. Krishna Hastasparsh. Then their heart melted, tears falling down. Look this. They're saying this. Dhannas mamudagatayi hirannayeta jan nandanupatto vichitra vesam akarna venu ranitam sa Krishna sara puja dadang viracha pranay avalokan. With their love and affection sentiments, they are taking darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan. Understand? But how is beautiful Govinda, Krishna? Kiba chuda sire, kiba bangsi kare, kiba se everyone fulfilled, Trivanga Lalit. And with his romantic saddle glance, captivated the heart of all the living entities. Krishna is very nice, beautiful, saddle glance. And when he plays the flute, how do you play? This way, not directly. His head little bit bent towards Srimati Radhika. And he this way. Look Krishna. So saying, Kiba chuda sire kadam nupur. Jabo go Vrindavane. What is called? A very nice, beautiful song. Narottam Das Thakur sang this song. I will go Vrindavan and I will become the ankle bells of gopis. Hari bolbo ar madan mohan brajer pathe chali bago. Bhakti Narottam Das. I will become the ankle bells of gopis. Or ankle bells of Srimati Radhika. Yes. And Braja Gopi Charan. No, Bajibo. Look this thing. I will become the ankle bells of Srimati Radhika. And also making sound. Jim, 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 jim. Understand? This types of one. And
the gopis envy the deers. Because the deers go first to see Krishna.
So come in this way. And Hari bolbo at Madan Mohan. Haribo and Eirupe Brajer Pathe Chalibago. And I will walk on the path of Vrindavan. This mood you need. Understand? This is the very nice, beautiful this song. Hari bolbo yar Mati Radhika. Radha Dasam. But without associated sadhu, this desire, greed will not come your heart. Understand? Associated sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then your greed will come. Lobha Krishna Bhakti Rasavhavita Mati Priyatang Yudi Kutopi Labbate. This is the process also. Greed, very important. With the association of sadhu, listen Harikatha, then greed will. So this is called the sadhu sangha, sajatya. And from Srimad Bhagavatam, with the association of sadhu sangha Bhagavad Gita. Because other Puranas explain different things. But Srimad Bhagavatam only glorify highest prem. And that frame, very rare for Brahma, Shiva, Narada, others. So saying, Tava Kathamritam Tapt Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalma Sahapaham Savana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnantite Bhurida Jana Tava Kathamritam Tapt Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalmasahapaham Sravanamang Bhurida Jana Bhurida Jana Bhurida Jana Bhurida Jana Bhurida Jana. This Bhakta Jivanam, all your distress, unhappiness, everything will disappear. Tapa kathamritam tapta jivanam. Kaviviriditang Brahma, Shiva, they are highest poet. They glorify about sweet pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Look there. Tapa kathamritam tapta jivanam kaviviriditang kalmasapam. Kalmas means all your sin, everything will disappear. If you listen to Krishna Katha. Kaviviriditang kalmasapam. Sravanang mangalam. If you listen to Krishna Katha, then all kinds of auspiciousness will manifest in your heart. Mangalam. Kaviviriditang kalmasapam. Sravana mangalam. Srimadatam. Sri, means all your beauty, everything will manifest in your heart. All Vaishya opulence automatically come. Bhakti stai tiratara bhagwan jadi sat. Daivena kisar murti mukti sang mukutanjali sevate asman dharma artha kama moksha samaya pratiksha. Bhakti stai tiratara bhagwan jadi sat. Kisar murti. Daivena kisar murti mukti sang mukutanjali sahit sevate asman dharma artha kama moksha samaya pratiksha. All they will fold their hands. And very easy. You can develop your economy. Other economical development will come. So much money will come. Money coming or not? Coming. Coming.
Krishnamai knows.
Krishna knows.
Krishnamai knows the money.
Dattatam. See money? Wealth, money, beauty, name, fame, reputation, dharma, artha, kama, moksha automatically come. Chant holy names. Faith with Krishna. You don't know how the money will come. And money just flying in the sky. Just to catch. How will catch? Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sorry. Bhuvi grinanti te bhurida jana. So tava katham mritam tapta jivanam kaviviriditang kalmasapam. Sravana mangalam srimadatam. Bhuvi grinanti te bhurida jana. Bhurida jana, one who glorified pastimes of Krishna, he is called the best donor. Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha. Look at this. Very nice. Maya. And Maya Devi, every time she bitterly beating. Understand? One girlfriend, then another girlfriend, another husband. They are beating or not? Arey, don't go, Maya. Has to be nonsense. Don't go, Maya. Don't running behind you, Maya. They will be bitterly with you. Chant holy names. Do bhakti. One husband going there, another husband taking. Another husband going, another. Whole life is doing this. One wife is going, then another wife is taking. Another. Whole life doing or not? But what benefit will get? Nothing. Hopeless. Helpless and hopeless. But people, they don't understand.
Maybe they can be monkeys in Vrindavan in the next life, man. Maybe.
If you want to become the monkey of Vrindavan, this is not ordinary. Vrindavan ki bandro bole Radhe Radhe Radhe. Vrindavan ki bandro bole Radhe Radhe. So try to understand these things. Chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhan. One life, fix your mind, do bhajan and sadhan. Many itching will come. This is true. But have to tolerate. And pacify your mind. Manosiksha, read Manosiksha. Oh mind, why are you? Donkey, why you are taking bath is the urine of the donkey. There's so much pain. Burning. I don't go. Chant holy names. And do bhajan and sadhan. And associate with sadhu, listen Hari Katha. Little bit taste will come. Always again and again say this one. A little bit taste will come, listen Hari Katha. Then automatically your material desires will disappear from your heart. This is the process also. Taste. Look this. Taste will come. So saying tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viriditang kalmasapam sravana mangalam srimadatatam bhuvi grindandite bhurida jana. With the best donor, bhurida. With the best donor. In this material world, many kinds of donors. Giving food, give some, and cloth, and blanket. Many things of the donor. They are also donor. But if you compare with the donor, one who glorifies pastimes of Krishna, he is the best donor. Why? Because if you listen Krishna Katha, then again you will not come in this material world. You will go Golok Vrindavan and direct to Savti Srimati Radhika. And that place is beyond of Maya. Hari Nirguna Saksat, Purusa Prakriti Paraha. And that place is very beautiful place. Come Vrindavan. And transcendental Vrindavan. Chintamani prakara sadmasi kallapa vriksha laksha britisu suravira virapalayantam lakshmi satasahasa sambrama sevamanam govindamadi purusam tamahang bhajami govindamadi purusam radha jasomukha matta खगाबली के राधा बिहार विपिनो रमतांग मनमेतहि वृंदावन धाम राधा करवचित पल्लव वल्लरी के if you go Vrindavan you can see everywhere Radha karavachita pallav valli all the ballaris and creepers golden creepers there Radha karavachita pallava vallari ke and sweet like Radha padanka vilasita madhura sthali ke. If you go Vrindavan, you can see everywhere very nice, beautiful, sweet footprints of Srimati Radhika, Radha Charan Chinna. Like पाँव में पौलिया पाके चमचमा चम बोले रे छोटे से किशोरी मेरे अंगना में दे मैंने बातें पूछी लाली कहा तेरो नाम रे मैंने बातें पूछी लाली और हंस के बतावे मोटे राधा मेरो नाम रे हंस के बतावे मोटे राधा मेरो छोटी सी किशोरी में छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे मैंने बासे पूछी लाली कहाँ तेरे घर रे मैंने बासे और हंस के बतावे मोटे बर्तन मेरो घर रे बरसात मेरो घर छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे ओ पाँव में पावलिया पाके चमचमा चम बोले रे पाँव में पावलिया पाके मेरे मैंने बातें पूछी लाली कौन तेरे भरता रे मैंने बातें पूछी लाली कौन तेरे अरे शर्मा काके बोले मुँह से श्याम मेरो भट्टारी, शर्मा काके बोले मुँह से श्याम मेरो। ओ छोटे से किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे, छोटे से मैंने बास पूछी लाली खाओ के माखन मेरे। अरे आहा आहा बोले मेरे आगे पीछे डोले रे, आहा आहा बोले मेरे आगे पीछे। ओ छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे, छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे। ओ चंद्र सखी भजबाल कृष्ण छवि, चंद्र सखी भजबाल कृष्ण। इस सपन में आके मुझसे मीठी मीठी बोले रे, सपन में आके मुझसे मीठी मीठी। ओ छोटे से किशोरी मेरे अंगना, किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे, ओ पाओ में पाओ लिया बापू चम चमा चम बोले रे, पाओ में पाओ लिया बापू। ओ राधे राधे जय 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 श्री राधे, जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय कृष्ण। राधे बोलो साधु संग की जय। Always associate sadhu and listen sweet pastimes or Advan Radha and Krishna Katha. After sadhu sangha, then you come the second, third stage. That is called bhajana kriya. Bhajana kriya. And bhajana kriya also two types. One is called nishrita bhajan, another is called after bhajana kriya, then sadhu will come. That is called nishtha, steadiness. Nam nishtha, bhajan nishtha, guru nishtha, all kinds of nishtha means steadiness. That is called nishtita bhajan. After nishtha, then you will come in the stage of ruchi. Ruchi means taste will come. Asakti. Asakti, deep attachment with the Istadeva. Then after ruchi, asakti, then you will come in the stage of bhavadasa. After bhavadasa, then you will attain. Okay, now finish Harikatha. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Hare Radhe 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 Radhe. Hare Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. बोलो हमारा धन राधे 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 राधे, हमारा धन धन राधे 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 राधे। बोलो राधे 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 राधे। राधे राधे जय 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 श्री राधे। Last one song about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sundara Lala Sachira Dulala. Very nice song. Sundara Lala Sachira Dulala, Sundara Lala हर नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में, नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में। ओ सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, सुंदर लाला, हे सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, सुंदर नाचत ओ सिर चूड़ा दर्शन निराले, सिरे चूड़ा हर बन फूल माला किया पर डोली, बन फूल माला परिरान पीता पतंबर सुहरी कीर्तन में, नाचत श्रीहरि हे राधा कृष्ण एक तनु है, निधुवन माझे बंसी बजाए, राधा कृष्ण एक तनु है, निधुवन माझे बंसी बजाए, विश्वरूप प्रभु जी का सह आओ तो प्रकटी न दिया में, सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, सुंदर लाला नाचत श्री हो गावत है, हर कोई गावत है घोरी गुणगान, ओ सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, कोई गावत है रंगन में, कोई गावत है ओ सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, सुंदर लाला ओ नाचत सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, ओ नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में, नाचत श्री हरि हे सुंदर लाला सचिर दुलाला, बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा